What's up, guys? Nick here with Rodock, and I'm so excited to show you this sweet Wilson Foreman show stock trailer. So as you can see, we got the black nose with the black sidewalls. We put a nice porch light name sign up front here with the 3 lights on top of the bulkhead. And then we got lights on the top row, every post, lights on the bottom row, every other post. We went with the side pattern C for cattle, which is the big punch at the top with 4 little ones. We have a 33-inch escape door here on the driver's side with a load light. We have tie rail, the full width, full length of the trailer on the driver's side. We have 2 8K torsion axles on 17.5 tires with aluminum rims. The whole subframe is going to be aluminum with cross members every 9 inches. So this trailer also has electric hydraulic brakes on it, and the pump will be up in the nose. As we go to the back of the trailer, we got the full swing with the outside slide rear door. Every Wilson is going to come standard with a slam latch. And then we put extra set of stop turn tails in the rear header and in the corner post to make 6. Every Wilson's going to come standard with a nice rubber bumper here in the back and an 18-inch skid plate on the rear. We'll button this up here. And then we went with the .110 flat floor, and then we added a 5/8-inch mat to the full length of this trailer. This trailer has not 1 but 2 floating cut gates with the double Peters pin and eye latching system to allow the gates to go 180 degrees. We also added a nice flipper here to make it a full square when it gets past the fenders. The second cut gate here is going to go from the frame post all the way to the rear of the trailer. As we go to the front here, the front floating cut gate is going to go from the front of the frame all the way to the front of the trailer. We have 6 pop-up roof vents. We have the stub style nose gate here to work with the floating cut gates. Then we also have 2 full width belly vents, 3 interior lights in this one, 6-foot 8-inch interior height with 8-foot wide interior. So as we go to the passenger side here, we have the 50-inch side ramp, and this one's going to have the standard door behind it. We went with the black cover on the side ramp. This is nice and spring assisted to make it nice and light. And then we also specified to put it about 6 foot back from the nose, just so we have a storage area for any tack stuff for the shows. Open that up there. All of Wilson's handles and stuff and hinges are going to be greasable. And then as we go up underneath the nose, I forgot to tell you this. This one has a Bigfoot electric hydraulic jack on it. You got the spare tire mount. And then here's the full width belly vents underneath. Just held right there by a pin. You got docky storage here. And then we'll show it going up and down. Once you go to an electric jack, you will never go back to doing a manual one. And that is everything for this trailer. If you guys got any questions, give me a holler here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.
Driving down these dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so bold. Pickup truck and my old guitar strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. From Nashville to Austin, down to Louisiana Bayou, country roads and honky tonks where my heart is true. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Stars above fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding